Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to delete text messages and conversation in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you are using A17 and you want to delete text messages or conversations, let's see how can you do that. You must have to open your message app and here just select the message which you want to delete. And I'm going to delete something from this conversation. Just select conversation here and then just keep a long press on the message which you want to delete. As I'm going to delete this one, just keep a long press on it, then select this delete option, then tap on delete. So it will delete message, but you have to keep in mind that the message will be deleted just from your side. As I have deleted the message, just go back. In this way, you can delete the message, but if you want to delete any conversations, let's see how. You must have to keep a long press on that conversation and then select this delete option here, then tap on delete. So in this way, you can easily delete any text message or any conversation in your Samsung Galaxy S17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.